Hello everyone. Today I want to show you an app that provides text-to-speech for your students, as well as a tool that will level the vocabulary for your students. So this is called Snap&Read. It's a Chrome extension. To get Snap&Read on your computer or onto your student's computer, all you need to do is Google Snap&Read extension, and this is going to come up. It'll be the first link, and you'll just hit Add to Chrome. And once the students have this, anytime they're signed into their Chrome browser, it's going to be installed, so they won't have to do this every time. And the same with yourself. So to go ahead and get started using it, all you're going to do is click the target and turn it on. Okay, and you might have to sign in. And if you have to sign in, it's just going to be with your Google credentials. Everyone in Round Rock ISD has access to this. And before you get started, you might want to look at the options. So some of the options that aren't turned on that you might want to turn on is dictionary double click. So I turn that on. So when you're using Snap&Read and you want to define a word, all you have to do is double click on that word and it's going to define it. You can also choose your vocabulary level, and you might want to help the students with this, but this is basically what Snap&Read is going to choose to level. So moderate to advanced is the lowest level. It's going to simplify any vocabulary that it can. And then if I choose only advanced, it's going to simplify only advanced vocabulary. On the left side, you can also choose your volume, so how loud they speak to you and how fast they speak to you, as well as the pitch. And then one other option is the voice. You can choose either a male or a female. And then you also have several language options. All right, so when Snap&Read is working, you'll know because on the right-hand side, you'll have your toolbar. And on the top, it'll be blue. There'll be a blue target. So to use Snap&Read, it's pretty simple. There's really two tools you'll want to use with it. The first one is this volume icon, and this is just the text-to-speech. You click that, it turns blue, and then you can click anywhere in the article.
For the first since Florence,
and it's going to go ahead and read it to you.
Residents in the island town of Rice.
To stop, you just go ahead and click it again. And you can do that anywhere in the article. Okay, and then the next tool is the leveling. So it's going to make the vocabulary a little bit easier for some of your students. So to do that, you're going to click this arrow, and it turns blue. And then you can click an article, anything on Chrome, and it's going to go ahead and level some of the vocabulary for you. And it'll be in italics. So, and if you float over it, you're going to see what the word was prior to the leveling. So previously changed to before that or before now. And lumber changed to wooden planks or beams. Okay, another thing you can do, I turned on that double click definition option earlier. So if I wanted to define destruction, I could just double click it and it's going to define that for me right there. And we can translate it into Spanish also, or other languages actually. These are our options, but let's stick with Spanish for now. So with the Spanish tool, you can click it and make it blue, and then highlight what you want to turn into Spanish. Translate into Spanish. And there it goes. Okay, if you have any questions on Snap&Read, please get with Gregory or myself, and we'd be more than happy to help.